All right, so we got our low incline dumbbell press. As you can see, I've just got my adjustable bench and I've just chucked it one up from the bottom. When we're doing a dumbbell press, rather than just like rolling back with the weight here and then trying to press it up, we're better to have it sitting on our knees, arms straight, fall back with it, try and keep those arms straight. Now we've got them right in position at the top. We can then start to get tight on the bench, pulling our feet back or whatever foot positioning you use to tighten up your bench. Then line those dumbbells up with my upper chest, bring them down, stretch out that chest, press up. Now when we're doing a dumbbell chest press, we don't need the weights to come up and in, we just need them to go up, yeah? So as I come down, if I just press up to there, that's totally fine. They're not coming in towards each other. Now I've got my dumbbells on a slight angle, rather than having them fully pronated. And I'm obviously not holding them fully neutral, chucking there somewhere in between, and that allows my elbows to follow that path as they come down and then drive up. A lot of people screw up their dumbbell chest press depth by coming down, 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 and then they let those elbows roll in and towards their back, which, if you can tell by my voice, is pretty uncomfortable. Yeah, we want to keep those forearms parallel and pointing up towards the roof the entire time. So make sure that that weight travels out over the elbow and come down, stretch out that chest, drive up.